Hello guys, welcome to my channel Cognizance the Knowledge. Today's video is about why does DNA replication only occurs in 5' to 3' direction but not in 3' to 5' direction. So the answer to this question is, before coming to the answer, let us understand what is the mechanism of this 5' to 3' direction replication in our cell. If you see, this is the DNA strand which is getting synthesized in 5' to 3' direction. So the elongating DNA strand has 3' OH group, and here the oxygen acts as a nucleophile, and there is an incoming nucleotide which should be incorporated into the DNA strand. This incoming nucleotide has 3 phosphates, alpha, beta and the gamma. Here, since the oxygen of this hydroxyl group is a strong nucleophile, it tries to attack on partially positive charged phosphorus atom of this alpha phosphate. So let me show you the mechanism. How does it happen? If you see here, this is already synthesized DNA strand which has 3' OH group, and this is the incoming nucleotide with 3 phosphates, alpha, beta and the gamma. And here this oxygen acts as a nucleophile. It attacks on the phosphorus atom of this alpha phosphate. So according to this, if this oxygen attacks on this phosphorus atom, what happens is that it will form 6 bonds. But phosphorus cannot form 6 bonds. It can only form 5 bonds. So what happens is that this phosphorus, it cleaves this bond between this alpha phosphate and the beta phosphate. It will cleave this anhydride bond. So when this anhydride bond is cleaved, the beta and the gamma phosphates are released in the form of pyrophosphate. And since the bond is cleaved, this is a high energy bond. So the energy is released. Since the energy is released, this reaction is favorable. This is the energy which is the driving force for the DNA replication in 5' to 3' synthesis, DNA synthesis. Fine. So this phosphate, after the beta and the gamma phosphates are released, this goes and it gets incorporated into the DNA strand. It got incorporated, it's fine. What if the recently incorporated nucleotide is a wrong one? It has a wrong base. It carries a wrong base. So what happens is that the DNA polymerase 3, it has this proofreading activity. DNA pol 3 in case of prokaryotes, but DNA pol delta or epsilon in case of eukaryotes. So the DNA pol has this proofreading activity. So what does it? It removes the recently added wrong nucleotide. So it has removed after removing. Now there is a DNA strand, but still this DNA strand has this 3' OH, and still the oxygen acts as a nucleophile. So if there is any incoming correct deoxyribonucleoside triphosphate is coming, the OH can act on the alpha phosphate of this incoming nucleotide, and the beta and the gamma phosphate are released in the form of pyrophosphate, and the energy is released, and this nucleotide gets incorporated into this DNA strand, and thus the 5' to 3' direction of this DNA replication takes place. But why the DNA replication cannot take place in 3' to 5' direction? Let us assume DNA replication is taking place in 3' to 5' direction. Hypothetical 3' to 5' strand synthesis. So here 3' to 5' DNA strand synthesis is taking place. So how? Here you might be getting a doubt. There is a 5' phosphate. It doesn't have the 5' and doesn't have the OH group. Then what is that which is acting as nucleophile, and how the nucleotide is getting incorporated? The answer to this question is the incoming nucleotide. It has 3' OH. The oxygen of this 3' OH acts as a nucleophile, and it attacks on the alpha phosphate of already incorporated nucleotide, and the beta and gamma phosphates are released in the form of pyrophosphate, and the energy is released. And here this energy is a driving force for the replication in 3' to 5' direction. This is fine. This is energetically favorable. The nucleotide got incorporated. Fine. But what if the recently incorporated nucleotide is the wrong one? So if the recently incorporated nucleotide is the wrong one, this should be removed. So the DNA pol removes the recently incorporated wrong nucleotide. After removing, the previous nucleotide doesn't have the triphosphate anymore, because in the previous round of replication, what happened? The beta and the gamma phosphate are released in the form of pyrophosphate. There is no more triphosphate. It is only monophosphate chain. So it is only monophosphate. So there is a now incoming correct nucleotide is coming. So it carries three phosphates and it has a OH group. Okay, fine. This OH group will attack on this monophosphate. It is fine. But there is no high energy bond to be cleaved so that the energy is relieved. No energy is released, and this is energetically not favorable, and this nucleotide does not get incorporated into the DNA strand, elongating DNA strand, and the DNA replication gets terminated. That is why 3' to 5' DNA synthesis is not favorable in the cells. That is the answer to our question. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.